A night of disorder here in Ballymena. Firefighters frantically battling to ensure no one's trapped inside burning homes and trying to save what little possessions they can.
There's roots at the very top, that could be a common roof point.
Several houses have been burnt tonight, and I understand that total to be in and around 5, with many others seriously damaged in the Clonavon area. The disorder began after a relatively peaceful protest was held nearby. This was organised after reports of a sexual assault in the area over the weekend. The protest that started in a car park then began to move at around 8 p.m. before police brought it to a stop. A small section of the protest broke off and several mass youths set fire to a makeshift barricade. Riot police then came under attack by missiles, and several items were also set alight at police lines. A short time after this, several houses were attacked, with one being set on fire. Police managed to move the crowds on, but they'd returned a short time later, where 2 further properties were then set alight at around 11 p.m. Just 3 miles away in Cullabaki, this car was set alight in a suspected arson attack, while another property was simultaneously set alight back in the Larne Street area of Ballymena. Now tonight, as I walk through the streets of Clonavon, there are bricks, bottles and debris still strewn all across the road. Riot police remain here with shields out, and some youths are just slightly further down the street, still being corralled by police near the Larne Street area. Several of the properties around me here are severely damaged. Some residents who remain behind are trying to piece together tonight what they possibly can.